Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make cucumber kimchi. First, prepare your cucumbers. Slice about 2 pounds of cucumbers into quarter-inch rounds or spears, depending on your preference. Next, toss these cucumber pieces with 2 tablespoons of salt. Let them sit for approximately 30 minutes. This step draws out excess water, ensuring a crisp texture. After 30 minutes, rinse the cucumbers thoroughly under cold water and drain them very well. This removes the extra salt. Now let's create the flavorful kimchi paste. In a mixing bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder, with 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce for umami. Stir in 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar and a 1/4 cup of finely chopped green onions. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly until you have a vibrant, well-combined paste. This paste is the heart of your cucumber kimchi. With your paste ready, it's time to bring everything together. Add the thoroughly drained cucumbers directly into the bowl with your prepared kimchi paste. Using your hands or a spoon, gently mix everything until all the cucumber pieces are evenly and completely coated with the vibrant red paste. Ensure every piece gets some love. Once mixed, transfer your cucumber kimchi into an airtight container. Refrigerate it for at least 1 hour before serving to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious cucumber kimchi is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled as a refreshing and spicy side dish with almost any meal. It pairs wonderfully with grilled meats, rice, or noodles. For storage, keep any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. When stored correctly, your homemade cucumber kimchi will remain fresh and flavorful for up to 5 days. Enjoy this easy and tasty addition to your culinary repertoire.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.